Okay, so I already did one eye off camera because I wasn't for sure the look that I was going for. This lash ain't even like glued on, so I wasn't for sure the look I was going for, but I know now, so let's get into it. So I'm gonna use the Violet Voss Essentials 2 palette. I got this out of this month's BoxyCharm. I didn't do a BoxyCharm video because I don't think people really like BoxyCharm videos. So these are the colors that's in that palette. They're really nice and very pigmented. So also I'm gonna be using only 4 or 5 brushes, but I got these brushes out of my BoxyCharm from this morning, and they're Morphe brushes. And if you know me, you know I love Morphe. So these are the 4 brushes that I will be using. And they came in this package, and I got it from my BoxyCharm. This was all in my base box. So yeah. So starting off, I'm going to go in this palette using clay. This color right here. Did I focus? Okay. So starting in, I'm going to use clay for my transition color. Putting this on, kind of on the other eye. I think I kind of like packed it on a little bit. And honestly, this look did not take that much time, so it might look like it's a lot, but it's really not. So I'm just packing it on. This is like a blending brush, but it's a little bit bigger. So it'll be like a good brush for your transition colors. We're just gonna keep packing it on. Okay, really can't see it on camera, but yeah, it's on here. I promise. I wouldn't lie. It's on here. I'm just gonna start blending it a little bit. I guess you can see it on camera a little bit. Do not, I repeat, do not blend up to your eyebrow. The key to not doing it is not doing like that while you're doing your makeup. Because if you look up, then you're gonna make a mistake and blend all the way up to your eyebrow. So I'm gonna go in next with this brush. It's a little bit smaller than the last one, and I'm gonna use this as my crease brush. I'm gonna go in with chocolate brown right here. And I'm just gonna pack it on first, and then I'm gonna go back and blend it. I'm just really getting it all up in that good old crease. You know, one thing I learned about makeup, right? Some of your best makeup looks will be you doing your makeup and not even planning the look. You just open up a palette and say, okay, I'm going to use this, 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 and this, and this, and let's see. Because every time, like, I say to myself, oh, I'm going to use this color, and I'm going to do this, and I'm going to do that, it never looks anything like what I imagined. So what I just started doing, like, I don't know how to do, like, the color wheel and all of that. So what I just started doing is just like, hey, I'm gonna just use these colors, and we just gonna like throw it in a pot, mix it up, and just see what works. Okay, so you're packing it on. Next thing I'm gonna do, go back with my brush, take clay again, and blend it out. Don't blend to your what? To your eyebrow. Just gonna keep blending it in. Okay. People always just want to just ride past when you trying to do something. Like the whole time I wasn't doing this, it was quiet outside. As soon as I started doing makeup, everybody want to come outside. How that work? Make that make sense. Okay. Okay, so we're done with that. Next thing I'm gonna do is cut my crease. So you know, I use my Luxe 245 brush. This is the brush I use to cut my creases. So if anybody wanted to know, that's what I use. I just use my Lancome concealer. And yeah, I just get up in there. So let's start. So starting off, do that. I like to look up and then go from there. And I am going to go in with Blue Violet right here. And I'm going to take it and put it all over my lid. Okay, I'm going to take the same brush, flip it over, and I'm going to use rose gold on top. And that's how you get like the pretty little pink color. For the lid area, on top of the blue violet. Like that. Okay, that's cute, huh? Right, ain't this cute? It's so pretty. Okay, next I'm gonna go back with this brush. I'm gonna dip into chocolate brown. I'm gonna smoke out that end. Smoke it out like that. I seen Meg Thee Stallion on a makeup video. I seen something she did, so I tried it and it was cute. So what she did, she took like a little angle brush like this and she just went over her cut crease like this. And it works, y'all. So like, you know how sometimes when you do a cut crease and like your transition color kind of like disappears? Yeah. So this would be another little beginner friendly hack. Right. Like that. Oh, girl. Okay. I'm just gonna blend it out. Looks good. So then I'm gonna go back with my glitter primer. This is the NYX glitter primer. This is the same one I used in the last video. Remember I told you I ordered it off Amazon. So yeah, check it out. The glitter that I used in the last video, remember I said it came in like a pack. So it was like 13 of them. I'm just gonna put some of that glitter primer right in the inner corner. I'll get it up there. We're just gonna put it right here. Cause we're only doing the glitter to about right here, y'all. Okay. We're gonna go in with our little pink glitter. This is what it looks like. We're just gonna dab it on. Brush lightly. Like that. And basically that is it. So I'm gonna finish it up. I'm gonna take my eyeliner, which is right here. I got this out of this month's BoxyCharm. Ooh, couldn't get it out. What I like about it is that it's fat, so it's easy to kind of glide on if you're a beginner. So I'm gonna finish my eye, do the rest of my face, and then we'll be back wrapping this video up. Okay, I'm back. So this is what it's looking like. I feel like I did this look before. I don't think I recorded it, but I did something similar before. So I'm trying to get out the box, but some type of way I keep ending up in the box. So yeah. So for my lip, I use this Bodyograph lip liner pencil in Rosewood. This is what it looks like. And I use this velvet lip paint that I got out of BoxyCharm. It's in a nude. I like it. So y'all need to sign up for BoxyCharm because y'all might be missing out. And then for my lashes, I ordered these lashes off of Amazon because I wanted something dramatic. So I'm using the second one. The third one though, sis, it's like this. It's like, I don't know. I might do that for another video. So this is the completed look. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye. Love you. Have a good day.